When writing a lowercase letter in cursive style, always start on the bottom line. To write V, go up, stop, then come back down to the right and then back up, moving to the right, and stop at the top. Let's see how this looks in a word. Van is written like this. All letters after V start at the top because V ends at the top. Cave is written like this. Capital letters always start at the top. To write capital V, draw a line down to the right and then back up to the right. The word van with a capital V is written like this. Capital letters never join with the rest of the word.